Hey everyone, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are getting right into exactly how solo digital marketing agencies are leveraging GoHighLevel's AI to build absolutely incredible high-margin businesses. Look, we're right in the middle of a massive fundamental shift in how companies actually operate. So we're going to unpack the specific tools, the strategies, the whole shebang that are making it totally possible for just one person to command the operational scale of an entire team. Okay, so let's kick things off by challenging a basic assumption we all hear about the true impact of artificial intelligence on the labor market. Whenever AI comes up, right, the immediate panic is usually, oh no, job replacement. But what if that's entirely the wrong lens to look through? What if, instead of just eliminating jobs, AI is actually fundamentally changing how work is organized and how businesses are structured from the ground up? So, here is our roadmap for today. 1. The solo business boom. 2. Meet the AI employee. 3. Automating local sales. And 4. The white label resale model. Let's dive in.
Section 1. The solo business boom.
You have to check out this number, a staggering 26.8% rise in solo business formation in AI-exposed sectors between the first quarter of 2024 and the first quarter of 2026. This isn't just a guess. This is based on Census Bureau business formation statistics, which were then analyzed by researchers over at the Hoover Institution. Now, while the non-AI sectors were pretty much flat or even declining, these independent one-person businesses in AI-heavy sectors just absolutely skyrocketed. People aren't just dropping out of the workforce, They're stepping up and starting their own one-person shops. And this is just a brilliant real-world example of Coasian logic. So back in 1937, this economist Ronald Coase asked a really simple question. Why do firms even exist? Like, why don't we just contract everything out to freelancers? Well, the answer was transaction costs. It's expensive, it's a massive headache to coordinate a dozen different freelancers. But here's the game changer. AI is stepping in and totally crushing those transaction costs. Because AI literally eliminates the friction of hiring a team for admin support, coding, communication. Well, one person can now execute an entire business operation completely alone. The minimum size for a successful business has officially shrunk down to just one person. Moving on to Section 2, Meet the AI employee. So to actually grasp how this economic revolution is happening, we need to look under the hood at platforms like GoHighLevel. Instead of constantly dropping balls across 10 different apps, frantically checking Facebook, Instagram DMs, web chats, your text messages, you deploy an AI agent that lives natively right inside your CRM. This conversation AI acts as your ultimate unified inbox. It's monitoring all of these channels at the exact same time and responding to leads in seconds. And it does this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It never sleeps, and it's trained exclusively on your specific business's knowledge base. Now, you might be wondering about control. Well, you have total control over the bot's autonomy, which is absolutely crucial. You can set it to suggestive mode, where the AI basically drafts a reply, but waits for you, the human, to actually hit send. This is obviously perfect for high-stakes industries. Think law or healthcare, where you really need that human oversight. Or if you want, you can just flip it over to autopilot mode, letting it send fully autonomous replies. That's ideal for your high-volume, lower-stakes chats, like answering basic FAQs, confirming your hours, or just booking an appointment. Basically, you perfectly match the AI to your specific risk tolerance. But get this, the technology goes way beyond just texting. Voice AI agents can now handle both inbound and outbound phone calls. And no, we are not talking about those clunky, frustrating phone trees from the 90s. These AI receptionists can actually hold totally natural, fluid phone conversations. You can even give them custom personas. You pick their accent, their tone, how fast they speak. They qualify your leads, they can answer complex questions, and they can even pull external data, like they can check calendar availability or an order status in real time, right while they're on the phone with the customer. And the workflows these voice AI bots can execute are just insane, depending on where you are in the conversation. So during a call, the AI can actively route and transfer a hot lead to a live human sales rep in real time if they hit a certain qualification threshold. Then you have the post-call actions happening completely silently in the background. The second the call ends, the AI seamlessly updates the CRM contact record with all the info it just gathered, or it can silently trigger a tailored follow-up SMS sequence. All of that with zero human intervention. All right, Section 3, Automating Local Business Sales. Let's anchor all these abstract features into a really tangible, everyday use case. Here's the core problem for most local businesses.
Industry data shows that sales reps are wasting nearly 40% of their time on non-selling admin tasks, just busy work. But at the exact same time, if you manage to respond to a new lead within 5 minutes, you are 9 times more likely to convert them. 9 times. So local businesses, your plumbers, your roofers, they are bleeding massive amounts of revenue simply because they are literally up on a roof or fixing a pipe under a sink. They just can't get to their phone fast enough to secure the lead.
So, picture this step-by-step missed call text back workflow. This right here is a total game changer. Step 1, the business misses a call at, say, 7 a.m. Step 2, the system automatically fires off an SMS to that caller within 30 seconds, saying something like, "Hey, sorry we missed you. How can we help?" Step 3, the customer texts back, and instantly the conversation AI takes the wheel, answering their questions and collecting their details. Step 4, the AI books the appointment directly into the calendar. The system effortlessly captures a lead and books an appointment before the competitor's office even flips the open sign on their door for the day.
Section 4, the white label resale model.
Okay, here is the real secret sauce. This is how you transition from just being a user of this software to becoming a highly profitable reseller. White labeling allows you, the solopreneur, to completely rebrand GoHighLevel's AI suite. You literally strip off their logo, slap your own agency's logo and domain on there, and you turn around and sell it as your own proprietary software as a service product. This means you can walk into that local dental office and sell them a beautifully branded AI receptionist service. You aren't just selling them a few of your consulting hours anymore, you are selling them a high-margin, monthly recurring revenue software that solves their missed call problem permanently.
The leverage you get here is just incredible. For just $297 a month on GoHighLevel's unlimited plan, agencies can deploy this conversation AI and voice AI across unlimited client sub-accounts. Let that sink in for a second. Unlimited. One solo agency owner can literally manage 50 or even 100 local business accounts simultaneously, all from one single dashboard. Your underlying software costs stay largely fixed at that $297 base, while your recurring revenue scales up with every single new local business you sign up for your AI Receptionist service. It's beautiful. Now, when you're actually ready to execute this model, you want to follow this exact launch checklist from the white label CRM experts. First, confirm your rebilling settings. You want to make sure you're capturing the margins on all that AI usage. Second, configure your branded assets. Get your logo and domain dialed in. Third, set up your webhooks for live calendar checks so your AI can actually see what time slots are open to book appointments. And fourth, actually, pay attention, this one is absolutely critical for compliance and safety, run a 100-call pilot test. Use a staging number to tune the AI's responses and make sure it handles weird edge cases smoothly. Do not skip this. Only after that test do you finally roll it out to live clients. As economist Leah Pelagius points out, independent work is going to continue to rise and become a bigger part of the American labor force. The macroeconomic data is screaming at us that this isn't just some passing fad. It is a permanent structural shift in exactly how businesses operate and how they scale. We are literally moving from a world where you needed a massive team and a huge payroll to run a software company to a world where a single, sharp operator can build a highly profitable digital empire.
So, with transaction costs plummeting to near zero and incredibly powerful white label SaaS platforms like GoHighLevel just sitting there ready to be used, the traditional barrier to entry has completely vanished. You have the tools to automate sales, to capture those lost leads for local businesses, and to build incredible, sticky, recurring revenue. The only question left for you is, what kind of business are you going to build with your new AI employees? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. I really hope this sparked some huge ideas for your next venture.